In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. While testing this tablet, I discovered two ways to manage location. Let's start with the best one, which is also the fastest one, by going into Tab menu. To do it now, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. And when you see all of your shortcuts, look for Location 1, which is this one. Then tap on it. And if it's white, that means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. If you have a bit more time though, you can go into Settings. Scroll to access location section available here. Click on it and manage it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!